Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to change the sleep time or the timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And now we have to scroll and find the device section. Now let's tap on the display, and here we've got the sleep, so let's tap. Here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 30 seconds applied, and you can say it because this option is marked. And all you have to do right now in order to change it is simply to tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick, for example, 5 minutes. Let's tap on it. As you can see, it immediately changes. It is also marked here, so it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to set the sleep time or the timeout in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.